Hello friends, my name is Carolina Granados. I'm a tour guide, and this time I'm going to talk to you about one unique tourist destination. This is the tour to the Barbas River, a nature experience, unforgettable experience with your friend and family, surrounded by nature, good weather and tranquility. We need to know that the Barbas River is one of the most large in Colombia, has a beautiful diversity of animals and tourist landscape that you will not forget. This trip is designed for lovers of nature and adventure. You can meet and see the famous holy monkeys, the larger trees, and great bird watching in the reserve. There are many activities to do, including hiking, swimming in the river and see the fish, board games, competition, camping, campfires, bird watching, visiting the forest caves, lots of fun and games for adults and for children. The tour guide includes 3 breakfasts, 2 dinner, because it's for 3 days and for 2 nights. This includes first aid kits, matters, tents, and other elements for your life, a safe and unforgettable experience. Okay, friends, pay attention. In this week, we are in offers available. Don't hesitate to contact me. My name is Carolina Granados, and you can call me to the phone number 312-785-0542. Okay, friends, bye-bye. See you later.